It is with immense pride and honor that I present to you the graduates from 12 Einstein. Jose Gabriel M. Bautista, with high honors, research awardee. Sean Michael Y. Cruz, with honors. With honors. John David N. Galon, with honors. With honors. Reynard Matthew T. Estolano, with honors. With honors. Macrobin Clark N. Ibasa, with honors. With honors. Migo Reyes Opinion, with honors. Leadership Awardee, Work Diversion Awardee, Outstanding Performance in Communication Arts, First Place Overall, First Place Best News Page, First Place Best Features Page, Third Place Best Opinion Page, First Place Best Page Design and Layout, Division Schools Press Conference, Collaborative Desktops Publishing English Secondary. Second Place Best School Paper, First Place Best Teacher Section, Second Place Best Science Section, Fourth Place Best News Section, Fourth Place Best Page Design and Layout, Division Schools Press Conference, English Newspaper Secondary. Second place, Overall Regional Schools Press Conference, Collaborative Desktops Publishing, English Secondary. First place, Best Science Section. 8th place, Best News Section. 10th place, Best Page Design and Layout, Regional Schools Press Conference, English Newspaper Secondary. Holden Bloodworth E. Peredo, with high honors, Research Awardee. Second place, Best Science Section, Division Schools Press Conference, English Newspaper Secondary. First place, Best Science Section, Regional Schools Press Conference, English Newspaper Secondary. Second place, TIPQC All-in Physics. Gerard Enzo B. Policarpo, with honors, Leadership Awardee, Research Awardee, and Work Immersion Awardee. McFerd Jester R. Ranyola, with honors. Anthony Paul D. Sanchez, with honors. Daniel Anilog L. Sargento, with honors. Nathaniel A. C. Sullivan, with honors. Yuri R. Wita, with honors. Gwyneth Ann B. Abenoa, with honors. Mia Riza C. Agawili, with honors. Princess Anne A. Banta, with honors, Work Immersion Awardee. Karen P. Bailosis, with honors, Silver Medalist for Team Category, Division Level Palarong Pambansa, Secondary Girls Chess. Natasha Joyce A. Caru, with honors. Alice Angela B. Canta, with high honors, Work Immersion Awardee. Third place overall Collaborative Desktop Publishing, Division Schools Press Conference. Second place, Pag-aanyo at Disenyo, Collaborative Desktop Publishing, Division Level. Third place, Pahina Lang Balita, Collaborative Desktop Publishing, Division Level. Eighth place, Best in News Page, School Paper, Division Level. Third place, Best in Layout and Design, School Paper, Division Level. Sixth place, Layout and Design, Regional Schools Press Conference 2025. Tiara Chesta P. David, with honors, Leadership Awardee, Innovation Awardee. Our Lady of Lourdes Hospital Vida Scientia Award, Future Hospital Innovations 2024 Best Project. Grand winner, 2024 InnoHub, the search for Quezon City's young innovators. Angelis Beatriz P. de la Cruz, with honors. with honors. Dana Canaisha M. Guerrero with high honors, Leadership Awardee. Maria Sofia M. Landingin with honors. Princess Angel A. Macapagal with high honors. Kyle Irish May D. Plato with honors, Leadership Awardee, Research Awardee, and Innovation Awardee. Jasmine Rain F. Rojas with honors, Leadership Awardee, Research Awardee, and Innovation Awardee. Micaela Alexis A. Santiago with honors. Aisha Joanna A. Silva with honors. Francesca J. C. with high honors. Red L. Valiente with honors, Leadership Awardee. And Jumea S. Villa